Imagine facing nature's winter wrath, where survival is an art. Blizzards, fierce and unforgiving, cloak the world in icy darkness. Preparedness is paramount. Layer clothing to trap warmth, ensuring exposed skin is minimal. Seek immediate shelter. Structures or snow caves provide vital protection against biting winds. Hydration remains crucial. Melt snow but never eat it directly, as it saps body heat. Visibility plummets in blizzards, so marking trails with colored ribbons can guide your safe return. Heartening stories of survival emerge, where calm minds turn instinct into strategy. Finally, remember, in blizzards, nature commands silence and respect. Adapting swiftly and decisively in these wintry giants preserves life, reminding us of resilience against nature's formidable power.